Hello everybody and welcome to the project of measuring distance with an ultrasonic sensor using an Arduino Uno. So let's get started. This is the part 2 of the project in which I will explain you the connections. First, I will explain you the connections with the camera, and in the second I will explain it in detail with the freezing software. So let's get started. First, I have connected ground from here to the ground of the ultrasonic sensor which is connected in the breadboard. Then I have taken positive from this ICCP pin, or you can also take it from here, this 5 volt. I have connected to the VCC of the ultrasonic sensor. Then next I have connected the fourth pin to the echo, which is the input, and the second pin is connected to the trigger. So now let's now see the connections in detail. This is the connection diagram. In this connection diagram, I will show how are the connections made in to the Arduino to the ultrasonic sensor. First, the 5 volt of the Arduino is going into the positive railing of the breadboard, and the negative is going to the negative railing. From here, the ultrasonic sensor is taking the positive current from the positive railing to its VCC, and the negative current from the negative railing to its ground. The fourth pin of the Arduino is connected to the ultrasonic sensor's trigger, and the, the second pin is connected to the echo. Let me show you how this works. First, the Arduino outputs a current for 10 microseconds which produces the echo from the transmitter, and that time it goes to an object and again connects to the receiver. The input is got by the echo. It is a number, and then with some formula we convert it into centimeter or to inches, whichever you want. So this is the how it works. And thank you friends for watching, and in the next part we will learn about the code. And don't forget to subscribe to Aiversity, and the link of the connection diagram and the code is in the description. Thank you friends for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Aiversity.